This is Big Joe, Big Joe's Outdoors. No, it ain't outdoors, but I'm cooking some catfish chowder today. And we're going to start with probably about half of this giant tub of catfish. We're going to start off frying up some bacon to put in there. And as I add ingredients, I will be giving you updates. So first off, I'm going to chop these things into slices and these things into chunks. So stay tuned. Okay, I got the bacon sliced up. Started throwing it in here to break it down, warm it up, cook it. And it didn't come all apart like it's supposed to, but it'll be fine. Yeah, it's coming apart. Okay. Put it in this thing. Now I'm going to cut up a bunch of pretty fillets. Alright, I got a nice pile going here of chopped up catfish. I got my bacon just about crispy enough, so about time to add. I think it's time to add the fish and see how much more I'm going to have to cut up. So, start adding a handful at a time. Alright, let me finish this. I'm gonna drop my phone in there if I ain't careful. So, see ya in the next step. Alrighty, this is cooking. It's about a little less than half done. I'm gonna add some chicken seasoning because I wanted some chunky seasonings in here, and that's about all I got right now. Garlic powder. You can't have too much garlic. And onion powder. Nope, no onion powder. I'm adding fresh onions. I don't need the powder. And Tony. And there we go. That's all good. That's all we're going to need for the seasoning wise. Stir this around. With the fish, it's going to be gently just go underneath it and turn it over. Does that look good? Sorry about the camera. Alright. The fish looks like it is mostly done. Now we're going to add my cheating. This is the Goodreads fresh cut. It's onions, bell peppers, celery, green onions, and parsley and garlic. So we're going to add this. This is just a whole container. And that's a good container to bring it to work in to eat your lunch. So we're going to go ahead and stir this in. Give it a few minutes to start cooking. You don't got to brown none of this because we're going to be boiling it since it's a chowder. But right now, that looks good. That looks so good. Y'all ever eat catfish like this? Alright, I'm going to let this cook for a few minutes. I'm going to cover it. Drop a freaking plate. Give it just about 3 minutes and then I'll start adding the other ingredients. Alright, we got it cooking good. I'm going to add some water. Just to there, just to where you can start seeing it. We're going to add a whole jar of clam juice. There's the clam juice. I guess they milk clams. Some heavy whipping cream. And I didn't open it. Little bit of milk. About that much out of the container. A little bit more. Yeah, about that much out of the container. I don't measure much. So, I'll make sure nothing is sticking on the bottom. And it does not feel like it. and I'm going to let this cook. I'm going to bring it to a boil, and I'm going to turn it down to a low, and I'll show you the next steps. Alright, it's boiling now. We're going to turn it down to medium, just below medium, and just let this